can start a complex number. Final exercise, example number 4. Very simple, very simple. X minus iy equal to root of a minus ib upon c minus id. Its conjugate is, say result number 1. Its conjugate is x plus iy equal to root of a plus ib upon c plus id. See result number 2. Now product between 1 and 2. Okay, this one is given, then this one is occur. This one is given, then this one is occur. Say result 1, say result 2, and product of these two gives you answer. This is basic method. Product of these two, x minus iy into x plus iy equal to, let in square root. Both are in multiple form. A minus ib, a plus ib divided by c minus id upon c plus id. Okay, x minus iy, x plus iy, this is equal to x square minus I square y square. X square minus I square y square, because I am applying here a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square form. This is equal to a minus b, a plus b means a square c square. Okay, but I square equal to minus 1. Therefore x square plus y square equal to square root of a square plus b square upon c square plus b square, because I square equal to minus 1. Let's square both the side. X square plus y square square. Let's square both the side. That's why square root is removed. A square plus b square upon c square plus d square. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay. Example complete. Very easy example. Now in example number 5 and 6, there are polar form. We have to find out polar form. It is directly associated with trigonometry, and we don't know the basic methods of trigonometry. That's why I am omitted it. But when I will teach the trigonometry, at that time I will take this polar form, and it is very simple form. That's why no worry about this one. But when trigonometry should be run, then I will complete this topic. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 be a quadratic equation. Now I am taking example number 11. It is associated with example number 4. Let example number 11. Same example. Say result number 1. A plus ib equal to x plus I whole square upon 2x square plus 1. Simple. Let conjugate of this. A minus ib, x minus I whole square upon 2x square plus 1. This is remains same, because of when complex number is given, it has a certain conjugate number. That's why this conjugate is this and this conjugate is this. That's why it has a conjugate sir. But 2x square plus 1 has associate with here a complex number. That's why it is remain same. See result number 2. Now product 1 and 2. 1 and 2 to multiply a plus ib multiply with a minus ib, x plus I, x minus I, x square minus I square square, a plus b, a minus b, therefore a square minus b square and its square. Okay, 2x square plus 1, 2x square plus 1. It is 2x square plus 1 whole square. Isn't it? Multiply both. Now a plus ib, a minus ib, it is gives a square minus I square b square. But here I square equal to minus 1, minus minus plus 1. x square plus 1 square. This is remains same. Okay, I square equal to again minus 1. So minus minus plus 1. A square plus b square equal to x square plus 1 whole square upon 2x square plus 1 whole square. Example completed. This is our required answer. Let's see. A square plus b square, a square plus b square, x square plus 1 square, x square plus 1 square, 2x square plus 1 whole square, 2x square plus 1 whole square. That's why example number 4 and example number 11 both have same. Okay, let conjugate and product, it gives answer. Now we can take example number 4 is completed. Example number 4 is completed. 5 and 6 with polar form, that's why it is omitted at here. 7, 8 and 9 are 7, 8, 9 and 10 are quadratic equation, but I will teach number 9. Again I will repeat, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are a quadratic equation. It is very simple sum, but I will teach number 9. Okay, number 9, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Solve it. Very simple sum. A is equal to 21, b is equal to minus 28 and c equal to 10. Let delta equal to b square minus 4ac. B square equal to minus 28 square minus 4ac. 28 square is equal to 784. 28 into 28, again I will repeat, 0, 16, 1, 4 and 5, 4, 6, 16, 21, 4, 7, okay, 0, 16 વધી પડી 1 બાજુ 4 અને 1 5, એટલે 64 વધી પડી 6, 8 2 16, 16 ને 6 21, so 4. Okay, there is some problem here. 28 square equal to 774. No, it is wrong. 28 into 28 is equal to 0. 8 2 16 વધી પડી 1 2 4 અને 1 5, એટલે 64. 8 into 8, 64, 16 અને 6, 784, 0, 28 2 56, 64 વધી પડી 6, 16 અને 6 21. No, 28 square means 20 plus 8 square, 400 plus 8 2 16 32 અને 64, 4, 6, 8 and 784. Yes, it is correct. Why 8 2 16, 17 always 20, 22. Yes, this is 22, that's why this is 8. Okay, 784, I was correct. Minus 28 4, 840. That's why 840, 784, 840, this is equal to minus 96. Okay, 784, 840 is minus 96. Therefore 96 I square. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root delta upon 2a. Minus b equal to plus 28. 96 I square upon 2 into a, 21. 28 plus 96 means 16 6 2 into 21. 28 plus or minus 4 root 6i divided by 2 into 21 divided by 2. Therefore this is 14. 2 2 2 cancel. Therefore 14 plus or minus 2 root 6i divided by 21. Therefore 14 by 21 plus or minus 2 root 6 upon 21i. Final answer is 7 2s are 7 3s are. So this is final answer. 2 by 3 plus or minus 2 root 6 upon 21i. Okay, very easy sir. Now 7, 8, 9 and 10 are quadratic equation. I had already done number 9. Okay, you can try 7, 8 and 10. Okay, 9 is completed. Now we can start example number 10. Superb sum and very easy sum. For this one I want to teach a modulus. Modulus, that means what? Let z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, this is a general form of complex number. Now it is converted into xy. This is a coordinate form. Okay, now a distance between 0 0 to coordinate form. Distance between 0 0 to coordinate form is p of xy. Distance between 0 0 to coordinate form xy, it is called modulus, and it is represented as mod z. Clear? Therefore mod z equal to distance between origin and complex point. This is a complex point. This is general complex number. Okay, therefore x minus 0 by standard 10 coordinate geometry, square root of a distance between two distinct points is difference between x coordinate square plus difference between y coordinate square, its square root. Therefore x minus 0 square and y minus 0 square. That's why mod z equal to x minus 0 square is x square and y minus 0 square is y square. This is the formula of modulus. Modulus, that means mod z. Mod z equal to root of x square plus y square. Be careful about this one. Again I will repeat. Modulus, that means mod z, and mod z equal to root x square plus y square. This is identity. And modulus, that means complex number convert into complex point. Distance between complex point to origin, it gives a modulus z, and modulus z identity is root x square plus y square. Very easy. Okay, now we can start here. z1 is given and z2 is given. These two are different complex number. With the help of this one we have to find out the value of this. Okay, now start. z1 plus z2 plus 1, z1 minus z2 plus 1, z1 is equal to 2 minus I, z2 equal to 1 plus I plus 1 divided by 2 minus I minus z2. Minus z2 means minus 1 minus I and plus 1. Okay, z1 equal to 2 minus I, z2 equal to minus 1 minus I and plus 1. Okay, that's why 2 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4, I cut. 2, 1 1 cut. 2 minus 2i, 2 2 2 cut. Therefore 2 upon 1 minus I. Okay, now but let separate mod 2 upon mod 1 minus I. Reason is this: z1 upon z2 is write down as a z1 upon mod z2, no problem. Okay, now this is 2 mod 1 minus I, that's why this is z1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Compare with, this is compare with x plus y. Therefore x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1, because I want to put mod z equal to root x square plus y square. Therefore here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Okay, the reason is mod 1 minus I compare with x plus y. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. That's why this is x square plus y square. X square plus y square. This is 2. 1 square minus 1 square is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Therefore 2 modulus is 2. 2 upon root 2. 2 upon root 2. That means root 2 into root 2 upon root 2. These 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cut. The final answer is root 2. But in this example, we can learn a modulus form. This is important. Okay? It has been important, and be careful about this formula. Okay? Now, miscellaneous exercise. Example number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 are completed. Okay? Remaining 3 sums are very simple and 2 sums are associated with polar form. That's why it will be omitted. Okay? Numbers 4, 5 and 6 be omitted due to trigonometry. And 7, 8, 9, 10 are associated with quadratic. Among one sum, 9 is already done. Remaining 3 you can try. If you don't know, then see a solution in your worksheet. Okay, bye.